Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to format long numbers in Excel. Sometimes when you copy or enter long numbers into cells, you're most likely to end up with this, because Excel converts the formatting to a scientific format. If you put in a numbers you can use for operations, addition, subtraction, and so on, Excel is able to read only the first 15 characters. Now you observe here that there are more than 15 characters here. The way to find the number of characters in the text string is to use Excel's len function. So you just run it. So we have 17 characters here. One way to correct this is to highlight the range of account numbers in this case and press Ctrl 1. Ctrl 1 opens the Format Cells menu, and then come to Custom and then format this with 0. So essentially we are getting a general format but to the custom 0. The challenge with this though is that anything beyond the 15 character, Excel will read it as 0. So you need to be careful. In a general sense, numbers that's set to align to the right in a cell are values. These are values you can use in operations. But when you have numbers that's set to the left by default, it means these are text, and they are normally used for numbers that are not going to be used in operations like summing or adding, subtracting, and all that. So these account numbers, we can let them set as text. So the get around is if you copy these and you paste them as text, then you are able to display the full 17 characters. So before you copy, it's advisable to format the area or the range of cells as text. Then you can copy your numbers. And then in this case, you have all your characters displayed. Same way, if you are entering, you can also format the range as text and proceed. Another get around is you can also precede your entries with an apostrophe and then go ahead and then enter your numbers. That is also another way. So please practice these tricks and add it to your list of Excel hacks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.